Hello everyone, today I want to do some review, which is chapter 4.0. Let's review what is unit conversion. Unit conversion. Okay, so for unit conversion, the first concept we need to know is the conversion factor. What is a conversion factor? A conversion factor is the ratio that expresses how many of one unit are equal to another unit. Is a ratio that expresses how many one unit equals to another unit. For example, we have 12 inches equals to 1 foot. So, and also meters to miles, I have 1,609 meter is equals to 1 mile. Oops. Or 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So these are the conversion factors. For example, how do we apply this conversion factor? For example, I want to convert 800 meter to kilometer. So first of all, we need to know what is the conversion factor. We know that in every 1,000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. What we are going to do is using the multiplication of a factor. So we would need to keep all of the units, such as 80 meter. So now I want to get rid of the meter and I want to keep the kilometer. So in that case, I want to put the kilometer on the top and the meter in the bottom, and then write down what's the ratio in these two units. So this is our conversion factor. So in every 1 kilometer equals to 1,000 meter. So that's it. We use 80 meter times 1 kilo over 1,000 meter. So that in this case, meter and meter, they got cancelled. And then 80, I can divide it by 10, so that I have a kilometer over 100. The unit got cancelled, remember that. And then simplify it. I have 0.08 kilometer. So 80 meter is equal to 0.08 meter. A little bit complicated one is, let's say we need to convert multiple units, such as I am driving 100 miles per hour. And now I want to convert that to how many kilometer per hour or meter per minute. Let's make it a little bit complicated. So meter per minute. So what we need is two things. We want mile converts to meter, and we know that from previous, we know that in every 1,690 meter is equal to 1 mile. So here is the first conversion factor. Another one is 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Here is the second one. Now we need to keep that in mind. So 100 mile per hour. So we want to write in a fraction way. And then times, now the first, we need to times the conversion factor. The first one is maybe I can convert the meter to mile, mile to meter. So I want to get rid of the mile. So that you want to write it into a diagonal position so that they can cross cancel each other. And then on the top would be meter. So in every 1,609 meter is equal to 1 miles. So the next thing I want to get rid of is the hour. Again, now the hour is in the bottom, right? So that means when I write in a conversion factor, I want the hour on the top in here, this part. So I have hour, in the bottom will be the minutes. Every 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So that when they multiply the conversion factor, hour and hour, they got cancelled. Mile and mile got cancelled. And now let's simplify it. So that I have 100 divided by 60. So I get rid of the 10. So now I have a 10. So total would be 16,090 meters over 6 minutes. And now we can simplify it with our calculator. Let me calculate that. So the answer is approximately 2,682 meters per minute. Yeah, so that's the conversion. If you still don't remember how to do the unit conversion, I would say go ahead and watch some YouTube videos. I'm not going to spend much time on reviewing this part. And then the next video we will start with trigonometry. See you in next video.